Alrighty guys, another vlog here, another day. There's not too much going on. So first job of the day will be to put some new pads on. Alrighty guys, another day here, another vlog. Not too much going on, just a bit of an update, a couple little tasks I want to do that I've been prolonging for really long because it's not that fun. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to change the brake while I'm here too. That came off easier, but the clutch has actually gone behind the metal. So I've got to probably like cut this and pull it over. And done, they're off. Too many clutch kicks in the old uterus. Anyway, I got some new ones off Fleabay and we'll chuck them on. And the new ones are on. They're really good, they're really nice and stretchy, so they're really easy to get around. Usually they're a pain in the ass, you need hot water and whatnot, but yeah, they went on good. Hey Belle. Bugger off. Definitely need to use some of that on the car. Look at the front. The joys of living in the countryside. Take it for an evening drive and get smashed with bugs. Fun. That'll probably be a job for later tonight, but although it's a bit wet out, it's raining and there's more rain coming, so don't know if I feel like washing the car just yet. But one job I've been wanting to do is headlight cleaner and sealant. Good old turtle wax. So I have used this product once before and it did sort of work. So my headlights are a little bit faded. It's hard to tell in this light, but you can sort of see it when I do that. So I want to see if I can clean them up. I'll get a rag and start rubbing. I just used some bugger off on the lights to get rid of the bugs and wiped it over. And it's so rough you can hear it. It's like sounding terrible, so hopefully these clean up good. That's afterglow. That's not what I want. Alright, we're nearly done after only 5 minutes on one side. And the left hand side there is done. Oops, nearly dropped my camera. But yeah, you can see there with the poor lighting I've got that the yellow has now gone out of that light. So only after 5 minutes it's looking 100% better. Like, I'll do this to that side. I might move it outside so we can get a better look in the light. And we'll go to the other side. That is a heap better comparison now out in the light. You can really see the yellow on this side compared to that side. And that was only about 5 minutes of work. I could probably do it again and get better results. These lights look real funny because the indicators are like already like pale yellow. They're not a very vivid sort of yellow or orange. So they always give this like headlight a bit of an older look. But the yellow on this side is much worse than that side. Heaps cleaner. Definitely recommend cleaning your headlights if you got these issues, guys. I'm sure there's some product other than turtle wax in your area that you can get. I'd give it a go. Both headlights are now heaps clearer. This one still looks yellow just the way the light's coming in the garage, but heaps cleaner. The cleanest part on the car. Gotta wash the rest of it now. But yeah, it's starting to rain more. So I'm happy with that. If you just want to know what I used, it's turtle wax, headlight cleaner and sealant. So yeah, it says on the bottle what it does. If you're in Australia, I'm pretty sure you can get this from Super Cheap, Autobarn and all those places. If you're elsewhere, I'm sure there's something similar. I don't know if you have turtle wax in your area, you might do. But definitely works. And I'll probably do it a few more times when I wash it. And it'll keep them looking really nice and stop them from fading. So yeah, you can do it a fair few times. I might even give the tail lights a bit of a clean over with it too, because it's also good for that. It's not just headlights. They look alright, but I might just do them anyway just to get any shit off. Just did the tail lights. They turned out heaps better. These are probably my favourite feature on this model. I like the rear end of this car, so yeah, definitely made a difference. I didn't think they were that bad, but they're heaps cleaner. Looks so good. While I'm here, I might as well do the indicators and the driving lights, so then it's all clean. Alrighty, all lights are done, even the bottoms. They turned out heaps cleaner. Excuse the bugs, I'll probably wash that tonight. My lights are now the cleanest part on the car. Oh, well, I guess you got to see, right? So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, share, do all that. Make comments. I love your support. I'm getting heaps of it. Getting that closer to that 100 subscription mark, which I'm stoked with. I thought I might have 20 odd people, you know, a few people from around the world that have this car, like following some of my videos, but I'm getting more and more, which is sick. So I'll keep doing this when I get some free time. Hopefully some big parts coming in the near future for this car. It's going to take me a while to get there, being that things aren't cheap, they're expensive, and I've got some big life changes coming, so you'll hear about that probably in the future. But yeah, hit that subscribe button down here, hit it.